Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. I'm Smitha, and in today's video we're going to be creating a small sample single crochet swatch. Single crochet is the simplest and basic stitch that is there to crochet. It creates a nice dense fabric, so let's start with it. So to begin our single crochet, you want to go on chaining. First we're going to make 7 chains. 1, 2, move my fingers up, 3, 4, 5, move my fingers up, 6, 7. So I'm going to chain 1 extra. Okay, so now we have 8 chains here, 7 chains to make our swatch, 1 chain which is the turning chain. Then what you want to do is you want to skip the first chain from the hook, go into the second chain from the hook. All right, just want to insert your hook into that chain and then pull the yarn through. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. You want to yarn over and pull the yarn through both the loops on the hook. And that is your single crochet stitch. So we're going to repeat that again and again. So you want to create 7 single crochet stitches. Okay, so now we're going to insert our hook to the next chain, pull up a loop, and then yarn over through both the loops. So you can see how you can kind of pull it here. This is the next chain. That's how you figure out which is the next chain. So then insert into that, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Again, next chain, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. This is the chain we need to work in next. Insert, pull up a loop, 2 loops on our hook, yarn over. That means you're just putting your hook either you're making a chain and pull through both the loops at once. Let's repeat. Insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Okay, so here you can see this is the last chain remaining. We're going to insert a hook into the last chain, insert our hook into the last chain, pull up a loop, and then you yarn over, pull through both the loops at once. And that is our row 1 of crocheting. And you can see here the height that we created, that is the single crochet. So if you want to count it, let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 single crochets. So now what you do is you turn your work, and then you want to chain 1. The chain 1 just adds height. This chain doesn't do anything else because if you see the single crochet is kind of tall. If you just crochet into the first stitch, it's a squished stitch. To avoid that, we want to just chain 1. All right. So once we have the chain 1, you want to insert your hook into the first single crochet. So the first single crochet looks like this. So you can see kind of 2 loops, front and back loop it's called, but you don't need to know that now. You want to insert your hook underneath both of them and pull up a loop. 2 loops on the hook. So now we're going to yarn over, pull through both the loops at once, and that is our single crochet. So this single crochet is done. We're going to go into the next one, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops at once. Next, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops at once. Insert a hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops at once. Next, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops at once. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over through both the ones. So let's go. We have 1 more stitch here. So let's insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. And let me put this down for you to see. That is our little single crochet swatch or fabric that we're creating. And here's how you count how many rows you have and how many stitches you have. So over here you can see we have 1 row and we have 2 2 rows. So right now we have 2 rows. You don't count the chain. This is row 1, this is row 2. So row 1 and row 2. Then when you come to count the stitches, you're going to count, you can count from here or count from there. Just look at the knots there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next row you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you want to maintain 7 stitches. So let's turn and let's repeat this again. You want to chain 1 and then insert your hook into the first single crochet, pull up a loop, pull through both the yarn over. And single crochet again into the next one, single crochet again into the next stitch, single crochet again into the next stitch. That's 4 stitches, single crochet into the next stitch, 5 stitches, single crochet into the next, 6 stitches, single crochet into the next, that's 7, okay, so that was row 3, but let's continue again. Turn, chain 1, insert into the first, pull up a loop, create a single crochet, repeat, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet, seventh single crochet. The main thing you want to do while you're single crocheting like this is that you want to maintain your edges and kind of create a rectangle, right? You don't want to be losing your single crochets. You don't want to be losing stitches. You want to maintain that 7 number that we have for today. That's it. So again, turn, chain 1, insert into the first single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops. That's our single crochet. Let's repeat. Single crochet number 2, single crochet number 3, single crochet number 4, single crochet number 5, single crochet number 6, single crochet number 7. So this is row number 5. Again, let's turn. Chain 1, insert into the first, single crochet, our second single crochet, our third single crochet, our fourth single crochet. You can kind of change the video speed at this point if I'm going too fast for you. Chain, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet, and the 7th single crochet. So that is row number 6. So when you have even number of rows, you can kind of see like 2, 2, and 2. You can kind of see it much easier, I feel. So 2, 2, and 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 rows of single crochet here. Okay, let's continue. Turn, chain 1, single crochet, next single crochet, oops, single crochet. You want to be holding the fabric that's right beneath this loop every time. So kind of move, you want to keep moving. So I'm going here. Again, I move my finger, you can go to the next stitch that you're about to insert in. So this is the loop on your crochet hook, right? You want to hold your fabric, the 3 fingers and the thumb. You want to move it right beneath this or right beneath the stitch you're about to insert into. So you want to hold it either here or here. I kind of move it as I go. And that way you have a nice grip on what you're making. So it ends here, and I'm going to move, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. So we have 3, 6, 7 stitches again. That was row number 7. Let's turn, chain 1, insert. That's first single crochet stitch, our second single crochet stitch, our third single crochet stitch, our fourth single crochet stitch, our fifth single crochet stitch, our 6th single crochet stitch, our 7th single crochet stitch. And that is 8 rows of single crochet to create this little cute swatch of fabric. So I think I'm just going to show you one last time. Turn your fabric, chain 1, insert here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both, move your fingers to the next, insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through both. I like this hook. It makes it very easy to pull through 2 loops at once. Yarn over, pull through, single crochet number 4, single crochet number 5. You can kind of see you have 2 more to go. Single crochet number 6, single crochet number 7. We're going to cut the yarn at about 2 inches. And then I'm going to pick up and pull this yarn that we've cut through the last loop we have. Then you want to yank it tight. That forms a nice tight knot. And you have your single crochet stitch there. There are more stitches you can explore, like double crochet, half double crochet, treble stitch, and I have videos for all of them in the playlist linked below. Stop by my blog smilingcolors.com to see more content about crocheting. I have lots of patterns that are all free to download, but otherwise I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, happy crafting!